I'm Tresemme stylist Tyler Laswell, and today I'm going to teach you how to create the sleek bob. We're going to start by prepping the hair with Thermal Creations Heat Tamer Leave-In Spray. Now we're just going to brush through the hair to make sure that our product is evenly distributed. Next, we're going to start by taking thin, half-inch wide sections and blow drying with our round brush. To finish the look, I'm just going to lightly mist my paddle brush with smooth, no frizz shine spray and brush over the top to get rid of any flyaway. And that's how we create our sleek bob.